Hello, fellow story explorers. This week on the Very Airy Library, I want to introduce you to some friends of mine, the Alphamites.
Thank you, Stan. Welcome, tiny humans, to our humble village. We are the Alphamites. I am the mayor of the Alphamites. You might say I'm the Alphamite. I have two passions, trains and words. We Alphamites love words. Don't we, Perflopatus? This is Perflopatus. He helps me with my busy schedule. I'm very important, you see.
Mayor, we have a problem.
Problem?
The Vowels are going on strike. They weren't happy with your budget cuts.
How else was I supposed to pay for my new train engine? It's red. Selfish Vowels. Think they're so important. We don't need them.
It's very difficult to make words without vowels. A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y.
Nonsense. What about the word crwth? C-R-W-T-H. Ever heard of it? It's a Welsh music instrument similar to a violin. No vowel in crwth? Boy, my Nana could rock a crwth. See if you can get wide across the picket line. They're very wishy-washy. I need to go, giant humans. I have a hair appointment. If you see any vowels protesting, be sure to point them out. A-E-I-O-U. And sometimes Y. Oh, the train's coming. Time to ride!
Man, I hope they get that figured out. A vowel is a letter that represents an open sound. What's a cat without the at? And what's a frog without the og? Remember, there are 6 vowels in the English language. A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y. That's it for today, friends. Always remember to be kind and never judge a book or a person by their cover. See you soon, friends.
Come by the magical, incredible,